Today I am attempting to survive in the dangerous forests of my backyard. My objective is to find civilization, but first it's getting dark, so I must build shelter and collect water. Progress. I am not in shape. Refreshing. Okay, the next step is to build a shelter. Time to get some rest. I want my mommy. I want to go home. Hey, you're not supposed to be recording. Good morning. It's time to adventure again. We must set off on a journey. I think you can eat these. I don't know. I should be an expert, but here we go. Would you? Eat whatever the hell that poisonous piece of shit is. We have traveled far from the last bridge. It is time to cross the mighty river. This is very dangerous. Do not attempt this at home. If you fall in, you could die. That was a close call back there. Did you see that? Did you get that on camera? Oh my God. I thought I was gonna die. Ugh. It's time to find some breakfast. We do not want to try any plants because of that last experience. We must hunt. I'm going to teach you how to build a traditional shovel out of just a stick and a sharp rock. Stop recording! Stop recording! Stop recording! Well, I shipped a new cameraman out, so now I have one again. He better not record me doing embarrassing things. Right, Tom? Right, Tom?
Yes.
Thank you.
By the way, my name's not Tom.
I don't think I'll need that anymore. I think we should go try to find civilization again. Wait, is that a light?